Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in 3 minutes whiten yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white from first use. You will notice a great result if you have dirty yellow teeth and if you do have stained teeth due to drinking lots of coffee and smoking. This magical remedy is for you, whitening the teeth at home. You won't need to go to the dentist. You will whitening your teeth at home and you will get pearl white teeth, shine like pearls. It shine the enamel and will get you an amazing results. All you need to do is prepare it and use it once in lifetime, and your teeth will be whitening like pearls. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use you will notice a great results, my friends. But before we start out, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. I'm trying to reach to my 2 million subscribers, so try to help me out. So my friends, let's start the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And don't worry my friends of using baking soda, we're going to use it once in lifetime, so it doesn't gonna cause any problem to the enamel and it whitening the teeth naturally. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and olive oil will make the enamel shine and will protect the enamel, and it will make this remedy works 100%. Then my friends, we need to add around 1 teaspoon of your toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. Try to use white toothpaste. Then my friends, we need half a lemon and remove the seeds like so. You can store this remedy and use it again and again. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and now mix well all the ingredients. We will get this fluffy creamy paste. So our magical remedy is ready. With your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so and brush your teeth with it. You're going to whitening your teeth from first use. My friends, the result will amaze you. It removes any stains on your teeth and will get your teeth pearl white and shine like pearls. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.